Morning everyone, hope you're all well. It's Mike here from Michael Harraway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just thought I'd take a moment to walk you around this 2014 Citroen Berlingo automatic wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us at the moment. This particular one's done 14,000 miles from new, ex-Motability, so as you'd imagine it comes with all the full service history. It's converted by Automotive group and offers either 5 seats or 3 seats plus a wheelchair. As you can see there at the moment, that's in the 5-seat mode, two in the front, 3 in the rear. If I go around, I'll show you how you transform it to accommodate a wheelchair or mobility scooter. So just press that little button there, tip the seats forward, reach in, grab a little bar, tip the seats up, hold these little legs down. And there you go, simple as that. So just wheelchair goes in alongside that 3rd seat. You can tip that seat up as well, or you can remove all those seats in the back if you wish. You need that little bit more room. Say plenty of width there as well, so it should plenty of room for your wheelchair or mobility scooter. So that's your 3rd seat there in the rear. Like I said, you can tip that one up as well if you wish. On the rear, you've got the bifold ramp. So the 2 handles, just grab those and fold it up. It's all nice and easy. This one's also got parking sensors there as well, so what the little black dot is. Just need to fold it all back. Lift the legs up, fold the seat down, tip it up, and there you go. Back to 3 seats in the rear again. At the front there. So I should expect, so for 14,000 miles, it's all lovely and clean and tidy. So it comes with daytime running lights in the front there. This one's also £30 a year road tax. That's a nice feature. Show you on the driver's side. There you have it, 14,482 miles. So your CD radio. That's all your air conditioning. That little wheel there is the control for the automatic. So you've got your electric windows there. It also comes with cruise control. It's also got a speed limiter, which is a nice feature. These little things you can see on the steering wheel, the minus or the plus and minus, they basically control the gears, so if you want to control it manually. It's got 2 keys, as you can see. Also has traction control, that's all your electric mirrors. So it's also got a really nice little storage box there in the centre, which is really nice, putting all your bits and pieces in. So there you have it. So if that's of interest, or if you've got any more questions, then please get in touch. Either give me a call or send us an email. Thanks for watching.